In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to monetize your audience as an Instagram influencer. So if you are an influencer and you want to learn how to make money from that audience, make sure you get subscribed to my channel and watch this entire video. Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for checking out my content. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Kirk Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to start businesses online. So if you want to start an online business and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and get subscribed to my channel right now, and you can do that by clicking the red button below my video and tapping the notification bell. Alright, so you want to learn how influencers actually make money and how you can monetize your audience as an influencer. Well, I'm going to teach you exactly that right now. Alright guys, let's get down to business. Alright, so this section of the video is broken down into two. First and foremost, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going through a list of things that you need to have set up properly for your influencer account to be able to make money, of course. And then I'm going to be talking to you about the technical aspect of setting up the business. And once you have this business set up, it's basically going to be run on autopilot. And that's the beauty of what I'm going to be teaching you right now. Alright, so first and foremost, let me talk a little bit about influencers on Instagram. Instagram influencers and social media influencers in general are like the new age celebrities. They command a lot of power because they command a lot of the attention and the traffic on the internet. And if you understand how to monetize, make money online, then you will definitely understand why this is very important. The person who controls the most traffic on the internet definitely makes the most money. Alright, it's as simple as that. Alright, so let me talk to you guys right now about how to actually go about making money and setting up yourself and positioning yourself as an influencer. So you may be watching this video and you already have an audience, but I'm going to be just recapping some of the stuff for people who are just getting started and just trying to start building their audience as an influencer. So I have 10 things right here, plus a bonus tip that's going to help you to position yourself the right way as an influencer on Instagram. Alright, so first and foremost, you need to choose a niche. I'm sure you have heard about this before. Alright, so it's not just about posting random stuff on your Instagram profile anymore. If you want to be recognized as an influencer, you need to pick a niche. Alright, choose something you're passionate about. You've heard that as well. Choose something you're comfortable producing content in every single day. So let's say, for example, you do makeup every day, then that's your niche and that's what you should build your Instagram account around. If you're into fitness, you go to the gym a lot and you like posting your gym stuff, that's what you should focus on because that's your niche. Once you have that, you need to make sure that you have your Instagram page details properly curated. So you need to write a very good bio that looks very professional, and tell people what your page is about and what you are about in your Instagram bio. Alright, so don't waste the space. Use it to help you to build your audience and to grow your business. Next step is to actually share your story. And by sharing your story, I mean becoming an influencer will take you a little time. Alright, it can take you a couple of months up to a couple of years, but you need to get started now and you can start making money within 3-6 months. Sharing your story means letting people know where you were a couple of months ago and to where you are right now. So basically, if you start today, which is August 4th, a couple of months from now, let's say December, people should be able to go through your profile and see a story developing from the first day you started your account as an influencer. Alright, so you need to share your story consistently and continuously. Very important for people to be able to see, hey, this is where Tom Jones was 4 months ago and this is where he is today. He's doing very well. Tip number 4 is to make your feed super appealing, and by that I mean highest possible quality content you can create. Alright, so if you have a cell phone and that's all you have to use to create your content, to take your images and to do your videos, use that. But make sure you have the highest possible content that you are able to produce. If you can afford a really good camera, then yes, get a good camera. Get a microphone if you're doing videos as well, so you can have good audio for your content. Alright, so no mediocre content. That's not going to go very far in today's age. You need to have really high quality stuff for you to stand out. Make sure you're using the right hashtags on your account, because this is going to help you to be found in search and also in the discovery tab. It's very important for you to use the right hashtag. That's going to help you to grow your account organically at a faster rate as well. make sure you're using a business account. Very important, because the business account gives you access to analytics, and analytics will help you to know exactly what you're doing right, so you can continue doing those stuff, and to teach you and let you learn what you're not doing well at, so you can discontinue doing those stuff and focus on what's giving you the best possible return. Tip number 7, use Instagram stories. All right, this is very powerful. Also Instagram TV. So it's not just about Instagram feed anymore. You need to be putting out content on every single channel on the Instagram platform to help you grow at a faster rate, because that's the key. The more followers you have, the more money you're likely to make as an influencer on Instagram. All right, so tip number 8, engage with your audience. Well, unless of course you're a Beyonce. All right, so a lot of people are trying to build influencer account, but they're not engaging with their audience. If you have comments on your images and your videos respond to your comments, engage with your audience. It will help you to build relationships, and these relationships will translate in money for you from your business, that we're going to talk about in a matter of minutes. Tip number 9, don't buy followers. A lot of people are buying followers because it helps you to appear as if you're actually growing fast, but it's against Instagram's policy. And buying followers, you're basically just buying fake accounts that are computer generated. So these fake accounts will not be able to engage to your content, and engagement rate actually helps you to be found in discovery and helps you to grow. So don't buy followers. Grow it organically or run ads, which is bonus tip number 11. But let's talk about tip number 10. Tip number 10 is what is very important for you to actually start making money as an influencer, and that's the link in bio. It's very powerful, but a lot of people don't know how to really use the link in bio to monetize it. First and foremost, when you're putting out content in your feed on Instagram TV or Instagram stories, always use a call to action. That call to action should be, check the link in bio to get more of such and such. Whatever it is that you're giving away on your website, that's what you should use in your call to action. All right, if you don't tell people what to do, usually they do nothing. So you have to tell them what to do. Tell them to click the link in your bio so they can go to your website. You'll learn a little bit more about why that is very important in a couple of minutes. And once again, bonus tip, use Instagram ads to promote your channel, and this will help you to grow. So a lot of people are trying to grow organically. It's free, and we all want what is free, right? But if you want to grow fast, and if you want to build an Instagram influencer account right now, the best and fastest way to do it is to actually run ads on that account to help you grow your influencer account. All right, so once you have these things ready, then you're actually ready to start setting up your automated business and to start making money. So let me talk to you about how it's going to work. So your link in your bio, which is what I just talked to you about, you're going to send traffic to a landing page, right? So remember, your call to action is going to tell people to click on that link. That link is going to take them to your website, which can be like a one-page website, a landing page that you can create using ClickFunnels, which is what I use. You can use WordPress if you're good at that. You could use GetResponse, which is the easiest possible way. That's what I'm going to show you right now. All right, so on that landing page, what you're going to have is you're going to have some exclusive content. So let's say, for example, you're doing videos on your Instagram profile. Then you may have some exclusive videos on your landing page. And I'm going to show you a prime example right now on this page right here. So let's say this was your one-page website, and this is you right here promoting your fitness page, right? You could actually have on this page like an ebook that you're giving away, maybe a free video you're giving away, but it has to be exclusive. So only people who signs up for that video actually gets it. So you will send it to their email. So on this landing page, you will see it has name, email address, and once someone clicks on this button, you will now have that person's email address. You will automatically send that whatever it is, that digital file to that person, and it's a fair exchange. So now you have an email that you can send continuous email to that person to actually get them to buy whatever it is that you're selling. All right, so let me jump back to this right here. On this landing page as well, you need to make sure that you're doing some form of pre-selling for the actual product you want them to buy right now. Because once you get them on that landing page, you want them to take a specific action, which is to buy the product you're selling. So it could be your product or it could be an affiliate product. All right, so let me show you a good example of an affiliate product. This is an affiliate product right here in the fitness niche, right? As you can see right here, as a really nice landing page. And this could be what you're pre-selling on your landing page. All right. So whenever someone goes to this page and actually buy this product, you get a commission. So you don't even have to create your very own product. You can use affiliate products. And the commission that you make from a product like this one is like 70% for every single sale. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is a product right here on ClickBank, and every sale you make, you get $21. And you also get rebills. All right. So they have upsells and stuff. Different products, and if they can actually convince that buyer to actually buy other products, you will also get more commission. So on average, a person can make $227 plus 21 to almost $250 per sale from their affiliate product using this method that I'm teaching you right now. So on your landing page, you want to do some pre-selling. So let me show you what the pre-sale looks like. So let's say once again, you've given away your exclusive content, you're giving some more information. Then you can say, hey, if you want to gain muscle mass or if you want to lose weight, click here to get this guide right now or to get this product right now. Once they click on this button, you can set it up so that this button actually sends them to this website for them to actually purchase the product. All right. So once they make that purchase, that's how you make money on your Instagram page. All right, so let's say, for example, you're selling a product that's selling for $49 and you're making 70% commission. You get like $34 for every single sale. All right, remember, I'm telling you that you could make up to $250 per sale of this example right here. And I'm saying, even if you're able to sell the product for a $49 product and you're getting $34 from that product, all you need to do is to sell 294 of those products every single month to make $10,000 per month. All right. So how easier can it get to actually make $10,000 per month? And how many Instagram followers do you need to have as an influencer to be able to generate this kind of sale and traffic? If you're getting, say, on average, 200 new followers every day. All right. So that's 6,000 new followers every month. You should be able to convert some of those new followers every month into customers. And if you can convert 294 of those, you can easily make $10,000 per month using this exact method that I just outlined to you. All right, so just to go back to actually creating a landing page, the easiest way that I can recommend right now, all are fairly easy. You can take 10 minutes to learn any of these methods. There are multiple videos teaching you how to do ClickFunnels or to create a landing page using WordPress. Well, I'm going to show you how to create one right now using GetResponse. You just go to getresponse.com. Link is in the description. It may say something like landing page builder. You want to click on where it says landing pages here. Let me just scroll up. Landing pages. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to something looking like this. You can select a theme right here. Select a free template. So as you can see, lots of different free template for any niche you're in. You can find a template. Basically, once you find a template, let's say this one right here about fitness, this one, you can click on it where it says select template right here. Select template, and then it's going to look something like this. On this landing page, it's basically click and edit. You can click every single section on this landing page and edit it to your liking. If you don't want to segment, you can delete it. You can change images, whatever it is you want to do. You can add different forms, lots of different things. You can add even PayPal. You can integrate on that landing page as well with GetResponse. And you can get started with GetResponse. I think you get like 30 days for free just to try it out. So that is awesome. So that is basically how you use the power of Instagram right now and the power that influencers have to actually generate and make a lot of money for yourself. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a sponsored post, which is great. And while you're doing this, you can still be doing sponsored posts, because once you have set this up, it's automated and it works for you 24/7. And that's the beauty of actually setting up a system like this as an Instagram influencer. Alright, so I really do hope you found a lot of value in this video. If you did, drop a like on the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will definitely answer those for you. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have a lot more content on this topic coming out very, very soon. And if you want to learn a lot more in detail about doing this kind of business with your Instagram account, I'm going to leave a link in the description to what I think is the best possible course that you can take to understand fully how to set up a business like this one. Alright, so thank you guys so very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.